Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about the mystery of yawning. Most people think it's because your body needs more oxygen, but it is totally a myth. The yawn acts like a radiator to your brain. When we deep breathe and stretches the jaw, it increases the blood supply to your skull and brings in a lot of cool air. This decreases the temperature of your brain and helps to stay more alert and focused. Think of it as your body hitting the refresh button whenever your internal processor starts to overheat. Then why is it contagious? Your brain has memory neurons that mimic the people around you. It helped our ancestors to stay synchronized and alert as a group. So the next time you catch yourself yawning, you are not bored. You are just cooling your CPU. Stay curious. Thank you.